In this edition of Moto Cafe, we're going to be looking at some gear, specifically the GoPro Hero 6 with the microphone adapter. Now, a lot has been said about this, that the one-touch recording does not work when you have the microphone adapter plugged in, and I've actually found that to not be the case. It does work. So what I'm going to do is do a quick demonstration on how this works using the selfie stick so that I can get the camera far away from me and test that the microphone itself is picking up the audio and not the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and do this test now, and we're going to see if it works. So the camera is off. Press the shutter button one time, camera turns on, starts recording. Selfie stick is out, so the camera is away. I'm going to talk quietly into the microphone. A couple taps. Should be able to hear that. Now I'm going to turn the camera off by just pressing the shutter button. It saves the file, turns the camera off. Just like that. So, as you can see, the GoPro Hero 6 does indeed work with the microphone attachment. The one-touch record still functions properly. So that's pretty good news for those of you who are doing some workarounds or using other microphone setups, separate recorders, that type of thing. This has turned out to be a very good solution indeed, even though this is still $50 and it's a big bulky adapter that you have to attach. It sounds great, it works, one-touch record works, so I'm happy with that. So hopefully that helps you guys out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe.